Hi guys, so 2018 has come and gone. It's a great time of year to look back on everything that we did last year and start looking forward to all the great new things that we have coming up in the year ahead.
We started this channel back in May and we really had no idea how it was going to go or even what we were going to be talking about in every video. We just thought this is a fun new creative challenge for us, and it's also a way for us to talk about the nuts and bolts of photography, the stuff we really couldn't get into just by making a post on Facebook.
Yeah, we spend so much time talking to each other about what goes into photography, and then anytime we meet a photographer somewhere, the talk is just always about, like Bill just said, the nuts and bolts, what goes into making it, all the things that you have to overcome, just all the little different aspects of photography that we all go through but don't really get to share very much, except for when we either accidentally meet each other or talk to each other online. So we thought videos like this would be a great way to share all the things that we put into it, and then to hear back from you on what you're involved with it also.
Also gear. People love to talk about gear, so it's great when we can actually show what we're using, show setting. That's one of the things that we really enjoyed about this, is the visual aspect where we could show the back of the camera, show the settings, talk about a lens, and that's been great as far as being able to put something that it's like a referenceable library of topics that people just come and look at when they have a question about something.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun to be able to show you these things, and we're learning a lot along the way for our still photography as we go along and do this stuff. We're certainly learning a lot about video as we go along. Yeah, there's nothing going into this whatsoever, and we've learned quite a bit.
Yes, you've definitely seen our growing pains as we've gone along, but we've picked up some new gear, we've picked up some new techniques, we've learned a little bit over the last 6-7 months, and you guys have actually helped us with some comments and about different gears, and that's one of the reasons why we ended up shooting on these mirrorless cameras here. It's just just going to be part of the process, so you're going to get to come along with us as we go into 2019, right?
Yeah, we just added the Canon M50 mirrorless cameras to our arsenal. We're both using those to shoot video and to kind of shoot some still photographs also, because it's actually a really good camera.
Yeah, we both have drones that we've recently got, so that's going to be interesting to see what we can do with those, and we'll take you along with that. But most of all, we just want to share photography and the how-tos and try to help you get better as a photographer, because it's one of the best hobbies out there. It's a way to freeze a moment in your life, freeze time, and capture it. And there's a lot of technical stuff that can be scary, so a lot of people don't bother digging in and really learning it, but it's such a great hobby. So we just want to try to demystify some of it and make it easy and just, help each other here.
Yeah, we find a lot of people kind of get stuck on, they wanted a good camera, they got a nice camera, they got nice lenses, and now they're basically stuck on, the automatic modes, and getting beyond that sometimes is a little bit scary. And it's great to be able to share, what we do, and really actually, like Bill said, to be able to physically show you the settings that we use and exactly how we have our cameras configured and what we do in each situation. To be able to show you that visually, I think, has been really helpful from what we've heard back from you.
Yeah. So continue to comment. Ask questions. We will ask questions of you, I'm sure, as we go along. And we are looking forward to an exciting 2019. We have a lot of different things planned, travel and, different video shoots and just different techniques we want to go through, show you how we created certain types of photographs. So it should be an interesting year.
Yeah, if there's anything specific that you guys want to hear about, anything that you want us to do, put it in the comments. We'll definitely put together any kind of video that we can to help you out.
Yeah, sure. So have a great 2019. Hope you enjoyed your holidays, and we will see you
this year.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.